Introducing the 2019 Skoda Octavia STY 1.0 TS I115 HP with a sleek grey exterior and a powerful 1-litre petrol engine. This 4-door saloon comes with top-of-the-line features like cruise control, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Your safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The interior boasts luxury trim and convenient storage options. Stand out with the chrome package and LED lights. This vehicle is in pristine condition with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer standards. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive away in style today.